Hi, welcome to Pathology Riddles. Today we will be talking about a basic topic called cell injury. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so as it motivates us to make more videos. Coming to the topic. Each cell in our body strives to maintain its structure and function. This is called cell homeostasis. Sometimes it is exposed to injurious stimuli, which we call as stress. Depending on the intensity and duration of the stimuli, the cell responds. It can respond either by having reversible changes in its shape, structure, or phenotype. This is called adaptation, or it might undergo cell injury. Now, this injury may be reversible or irreversible. So, what decides whether the injury is reversible or irreversible? Duration as well as intensity of injurious stimuli. So if the duration is short and the stimuli is weak, then we will have a reversible injury. But if the stimuli is of a long duration and the intensity is severe, then we will have irreversible injury, which will lead to cell dying by either apoptosis or necrosis. Remember that the cell can go back to its homeostasis if it undergoes cell adaptation or reversible injury. If you want to remember this flowchart using analogy, watch this video. The link is on the right upper corner. So what are the types of stress or causes of cell injury? They could be physical agents, hypoxia and ischemia, nutritional disorders, toxins, immunological reactions, genetics, infectious agents, or aging. What do we mean by physical agents? So they could be trauma due to fight or flight, or it could be due to temperature, which is excess heat, which leads to sunstroke, or excess cold, which leads to frostbite. It could also be due to radiation like ultraviolet rays or by electrical hazards. The next cause of cell injury is hypoxia and ischemia. Hypoxia means there is a decrease in oxygen. Ischemia is the decreased blood supply to the tissue. This injures the cell by decreasing the oxygen and nutrient supply for smooth functioning of cells and maintenance of the structure. The causes of hypoxia are: it might be due to arterial obstruction, due to thrombus or embolism, or lung diseases decreasing the oxygenation of the blood itself. It can also be due to anemia, where there is decreased hemoglobin, so it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Maybe due to carbon monoxide poisoning, as carbon monoxide has very strong bond with hemoglobin and it has a much more higher affinity than oxygen. The next cause of cell injury is nutritional disorders. Now, inadequate nutrition can lead to protein energy insufficiency, and increased eating can cause obesity, which can lead to diseases like atherosclerosis, type 2 diabetes mellitus, obstructive sleep apnea, metabolic syndrome, and many more. Cell injury can be caused by toxins. Any substance, including salt, water, glucose, or oxygen, can be toxic if taken inappropriately or excessively. Even therapeutic drugs need to be taken in prescribed dosage. Tobacco, pesticide, alcohol, and air pollutants also cause injury because of toxicity. The next cause of cell injury is immunological reactions. Although our immune system is meant to protect us against foreign particles and pathogens, in some diseases this immune system may recognize our own tissue as pathogen or foreign and injure them. These diseases are called autoimmune reactions. Examples of autoimmune reactions are rheumatoid arthritis, SLE, Hashimoto thyroiditis. Allergic reactions, bronchial asthma are also the examples of immunological reactions. Next cause is genetic abnormalities. This can range from congenital malformations seen in Down syndrome or substitution of amino acids seen in sickle cell anemia to cancer formation. Cell injury can also be caused by microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, fungi, or parasites, as you will study in depth in microbiology. Names of the few diseases include malaria, tuberculosis, filaria, rabies, and others. Finally, the last cause of injury is cell aging. Aging reduces the ability of the cells to respond to stress efficiently, and it results in cell injury. This is in short about how our cell responds to stimuli and what are the causes of cell injury. In the next class, we will learn about the mechanisms of cell injury. That's all for today. This is Dr. Bismay signing out till we meet in the next video.